Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Duolingo. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix